This is the final video. Over 48 episodes and 3 series, we've covered synthetic monitoring from first principles to full stack operations, probes and protocols, ML detection and alert calibration, backbone intelligence, multi-source telemetry, retention strategy, capacity planning, and postmortems. This video shows what it looks like to operate all of it together in a NOC running on a single integrated platform 24 hours a day. The NOC wall display answers a single question. What is the state of the world right now? Not, what happened to this specific service? That's an investigative question. The wall display is operational. Are there active incidents? What is their severity? Are there leading indicators of emerging problems? 6 panels, 1 per data source type, ordered by what the shift operator needs to assess first when they sit down. The layout is a design decision, but the data must be unified in real time. Shift handover is where NOC operations succeed or fail. An outgoing shift that hands off verbally leaves gaps. One that hands off with a platform-generated summary, open incidents, acknowledged alerts, scheduled maintenance, and leading indicators. This leaves nothing to interpretation. The handover document should be generated automatically from the platform at the scheduled handover time. It shouldn't be compiled manually by a departing operator under time pressure. Escalation chains define the organization's response commitment in advance. An alert that isn't acknowledged within 15 minutes pages the secondary on-call. After 30 minutes unresolved, the team lead is pulled in. After 60 minutes with customer impact, the executive layer activates. Defined as a policy in the platform, these thresholds execute automatically, and no one needs to decide during an incident when to escalate. That decision was already made. In a multidiscipline operations team, alert routing is a significant quality of life factor. SNMP interface errors route to the network team. Synthetic HTTP failures route to the application team. Kubernetes pod crash loops route to the platform team. AI inference degradation routes to the ML team. When all teams share one platform, routing rules can be defined centrally and maintained consistently, rather than replicated across separate tools. For managed service providers, the NOC is the operational heart of the service. The MSP operator sees a consolidated multi-tenant view across the portfolio. Each customer's portal view shows only their own data, in their own branding, with no visibility into other tenants. The escalation chains and alert routing are configured per customer. The NOC operates as if each customer had their own dedicated monitoring team. 48 videos. From the first ping Mike Moose sent in 1983 to debug a network problem, to a fully integrated NOC running real-time telemetry. The protocols that make synthetic monitoring possible, the probe architectures that make it resilient, the ML that makes it intelligent. The telemetry stack that makes it complete, the outcomes, dashboards, retention, capacity planning, postmortems, and reports that make it valuable. A mature synthetic monitoring platform isn't one thing, it's all of these things integrated. And now you have the 24 criterion framework to evaluate whether any platform claiming to provide them actually does.